Hello, welcome to Core Maze Video 1, Introduction. My name is Peter Thönell and I'm the creator of the Core Maze library that is available on the Unity Asset Store. So what is a Core Maze library? Well, it's a library that enables you to generate mazes, all sorts of mazes. Quad mazes, like square ones, hex mazes, triangular rooms, other types of mazes, three-dimensional box mazes. So I have another algorithm I call Thönell's braiding algorithm because I haven't seen that anywhere else. With that one, you can create mazes with no dead ends. You can also customize your mazes, so you can specify areas, maybe a room with walls around, or just an empty area that you want to leave open, or you perhaps want to connect edges of mazes on each side. You can have wraparounds. You can have, for example, symmetric mazes or concentric mazes. And you can also decorate mazes with furniture and debris and some such things. And you can also specify a random generator, so you can ensure that you always get the same maze generated every time, which is useful for networking. Bookmark this page here, this link, rather than the YouTube videos, because I'm going to update this page with more videos and replace the videos as I improve them, because as you can probably tell, I'm not used to making videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do with the Core Maze library. Thank you for watching. Cheers!